Switch to 1.5 play speed for better viewing experience.
Imagine waking up one morning to find your entire digital data got erased. Important business document, irreplaceable client data all vanished. Accidents do happen due to the hard drive failure, computer got damaged, natural disaster strike, and let's not forget, use sneaky cyber attacks. It's a terrifying reality for millions. That's where auto backup services become your digital lifeline. It isn't just about the technology, it's about the safeguarding your life, work, and business opportunities and operations. Excited to know more about the RackBank Auto Backup services? I'll keep watching the video. Let's begin to understand about the auto backup and why it is important for our businesses. Well, you can understand auto backup as an insurance policy for your digital life. It automatically creates copies of your data and store them safely and securely in a remote location. In a simple word, we can say that auto backup is a process that automatically creates copies of your data at regular intervals without requiring any manual intervention. This safeguards data against the loss due to the accident, deleting, or the hardware failure and cyber attacks or the natural disaster. Having the clear understanding about the auto backup and the understanding the meaning of auto backup, we can say that this is divided into three different parts, or we can say there are three different ways of getting your data backup. The very first is the file-based auto backup, second is the application-based, and then we are having your OS-based. These all three are having its own functionality and the feature, but we majorly say that file and application-based are having the same functionality. Because whenever we install the agent in our system, agent is something we are going to discuss further. But whenever we install agent in our system for the backup, the agent copy the parts of the file. Like I want to get the backup of my client data only. So I will give the part of that client file only, and the agent will only save the data which is available in this file only. It won't save the data or get the backup of any another data which is out of this file. So it will only and only get the backup of this file only. And works similar for the application base itself. And then we are having the OS based auto backup. In OS based backup, the agent will install and save the whole data which is available in the system. The every single information, every single detail, and the data which is present in the system itself, it will get the backup of all those information. And on the basis of this, the functionality, the pricing, and the features are bifurcated on that. And it is totally free and up to you that which backup is preferable and compatible for your business and your need and uses. After understanding the types of auto backup, whenever we talk about the auto backup, there are two technologies which always come is S3 and Nestbox. These are the major component of auto backup if you want to understand in a more deeper level. Let's first understand about the S3. S3 bucket is a virtual storing platform which is used to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. S3 bucket similarly work like a bucket. In bucket, we are going to put our data, like any amount of data, we are going to store in this bucket, and this bucket size is not defined. It will increase and decrease on the basis of amount of data you are putting in this bucket. If you are having more data, the size of the bucket will increase, and if you are having a small data, the size of bucket will decrease itself. And the data we store in S3 bucket is completely non-readable and non-writable. You cannot read or write or extract the data directly from S3 bucket. There is a different process to extract the data from S3, but this is what S3 bucket is. And the major quality of the S3 bucket is you are only going to pay for the data that you are storing. Like the space is always dependent on the data. And if you are putting the less data, you are going to pay less. And if you are going to store more data in this bucket, you are going to pay more. So the space you are consuming is the only amount you are going to pay for this bucket. And this is the biggest facility of the S bucket. Now when we talk about the Nestbox, Nest 3 is also a backup system, but Nest 3 is a complete hardware which stores the data, just like a server. Nestbox is also called as a network attached storage. In a simple definition, we can see that the Nestbox is a dedicated storage device connected to the network that allows multiple users to access and store data certainly. Multiple users can access the Nestbox to store their data or to retrieve the data as well. You are just going to put the data in this and it will store and it will keep your data safe. But you can also extract the data from the Nestbox. Unlike the S3, you are not able to read or write. But in the Nestbox, you can easily access the data, you can easily store and extract the data. So these are the two different types in which you can store your data for the backup. After understanding about the auto backup and its uses for your business and which auto backup type is good for you, now it's time to understand the actual process, that how exactly this auto backup got installed in your system and how it stores your data. For that, we need to understand the process from the scratch to understand to get the deeper level of the knowledge about the auto backup. We are going to understand the auto backup from the user perspective as well as the company perspective to get the more deeper level of understanding. So the very first, we are going to start with the client. Whenever client want to get the backup of their data, they first have to create their account on our autobackup.io, and then they will receive an email authentication to verify themselves. After that, they are going to sign up by providing all their necessary information. After signing in, the client have to download the agent on their system. Now, agent is basically work like a link between your system and to the company. The agent is something which will hold all the information of your system and provide it to our company for the backup. The agent will only get the path of the file or the data you particularly want to get the backup of. And this agent will give that path or give that file to the company so the company can easily get the backup of that particular file. So agent plays a very crucial role to build a link and a bridge between your system and our system for the backup. Now this agent can be installed in different type of OS. This can be a Windows or a Linux or a Mac, even in the Android itself. So whatever system or the OS you are using, you have to install the agent or the basis of that. After installing the agent, you have to run the agent on your system by giving and providing the path of your files that you want to get backup of. After giving and running the agent on your system, the code will get generated. You have to give that code to the company so the company can carry forward the process further. After this, it's time for the company to continue the process. After receiving the code, the agent code from the client, the company will select the system, because only through that code, company can select the system, like which system they are going to get backup of. After selecting the system using the code, the company set the quota. Now this quota holds all the information about like how much number of the GB the client want to get backup of, the retention period, like you want to get backup in monthly cycle or a yearly cycle or a weekly cycle, or on the basis of a day, are you going to get the backup on every single day or every single month or every single year. This is going to be decided. After that, they will set the timer of the backup, like you want to get the backup in every single hour or in every single day, and the basis of that. And then we are going to set the backup on the machine. After generating all this quota, the company get the clarity about how much requirement the client is having and what services they are going to provide to them, because quota depends on different company on the basis of their working. So this quota needs to be fixed by the company and the client negotiation. After setting the quota, they will establish the backup for the company. And that's the simple process of the auto backup. I hope this video is informative for you. Are you scared to lose your precious data of your company and looking for something, a good services which can give you the backup of the data? Well, you are at the right place. Our company, RankBank Data Center, provide the best services and a really easy installation process for the auto backup. It will be quick and effortless. To explore more about our auto backup services, you can visit our website autobackup.io. To explore more about our services, for more inquiry, you can email us or connect with us. Thank you.